Hi guys, today we will talk about third ball planning and its execution. This video would be very useful to you in surprising your opponent and winning more points. 1. Third ball planning starts from standing position of your opponent. For example, suppose he is standing too close to the table, or he is standing too far from the table, or he is standing on one side of the table, or the opponent is standing in the middle of the table. Second, you have to choose such a combination serve having such a prime spin that it will lead the ball to a good placement point, and that would also be as per the standing position of your opponent. Good placement will mount pressure on opponent from start. After doing the serve, you have to move to an ideal position as per your combination serve, where you are expecting the return to take the first attacker advantage. In most of the cases, you get your return in that area only, and you get a chance to execute your third ball plan. But sometimes you don't get return in your expected area, so you have to shift immediately from ideal position to a position where actual return is coming. Now let's take some examples. Suppose you decide to do reverse pendulum service, in which you decide side spin as your prime spin. So obviously the expected return would be on your right side, so you have to take a position to attack. Accordingly, you will shift left and then you will take a attacking position. Decide to do reverse pendulum service with backspin as a prime spin. So your expected return would be close to the net. It is likely to be a small push, so you can stay near to the table. That's your ideal position. Suppose you decide to do reverse pendulum service and topspin as your prime spin. So your return is expected to be little long, close to the baseline, so you are supposed to be slightly far from the table. Before I finish, it is important to understand for all of you that you have to reach an ideal position as per the expected return of your serve in order to execute third ball plan and win matches. Bye for now. Thanks for connecting.